Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are diving into an exciting topic: how to promote Amazon affiliate products on TikTok in 2024. So, TikTok has exploded in popularity, and it's not just for entertainment anymore. People are using TikTok to share product reviews, DIY tutorials, and recommendations, which makes it a perfect platform for affiliate marketing. So, here, if you're part of Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, and you want to make commissions by promoting products on TikTok, then you are in the right place. I will show you how to create engaging content, add your affiliate links, and boost your chances of earning money on TikTok. So let's jump in. So, as you can see here, if you are not already part of Amazon affiliate program, you will need to sign up, and then what you need to do here is to go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. So that is the website that you are going to go. And then after that one is you need to create an account. So Amazon Associates let you earn commissions by promoting products. And with millions of products on Amazon, there's something for every niche. So as you can see here, we are now on the Amazon Associates. And then what can you see here is this one, the Amazon Associates Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. So welcome to the one of the largest affiliate marketing program in the world. So here, you can see here, the first thing you need to do here is sign up, join the team, and then the next part is a recommendation. So share a million of products with your audience. So they have their customized linking tool for large publishers. So here, you just need to tap on that button, the sign up. So as you can see here, you can either sign up through your email or your mobile phone number. But don't worry guys, if you don't have an account, and if you're new to this one, you can create your Amazon account. And what you need to do here is to enter your name, your email, the password, and then re-enter your password. Don't forget guys that the password must be at least 6 characters. And then right after you fill in all of that one, just tap on that yellow button. So here, going back to this website, the TikTok, we are going to create a TikTok business account. So what you need to do here is we are going to add a clickable affiliate link to your TikTok bio. You'll need to create a business account. So here's how to do it. So open the TikTok website and then go to your profile. Then go to the settings and privacy, and then you can see here, tap manage account, then choose switch to business account. So you can see that one, and then you'll be able to see here, learn about your customers, use royalty-free sounds. You can choose your category of your content, and then tap on that one. And you'll be directed to this page wherein they will congratulate you. You can now try a registered business account. And tap on that registered now, and then build trust on TikTok, wherein you will be submitting documents to vouch for the authenticity of your business and get more tools and features. So as you can see here, you can also have a VIP access, build trust with your audience. By continuing, you agree to the terms of service and acknowledging having read the privacy policy. So here, as you can see here, you will be able to read this one, the accepting the terms, and then after that one is the change to the terms, your account with them, your access to use of their services, and then here, the labels. So here are some features on switching your account to business account. So just take note guys, and then after that one is you just need to get started, and then you will be directed to this page wherein you need to sign up. So don't forget to check on that one guys. And then after that one is you will be able to see here the different features, the different terms and conditions, and then tap on that one. And then after that one, so you'll be directed to this page. So here, going back here, you need to fill in here the currency, the time zone, the email, then the country, region, the industry. This is very important part guys. So here we are now on the Linktree. So how to use this one? So here in the Linktree guys, this is a very important one, because if you're promoting multiple products or want to make your profile cleaner, you can use this website to organize all your affiliate links in one place. So first is choose your template, but before that one is you need to create a free account guys. Take note. And then once you've signed up, you will be taken to the dashboard. Click which platforms are you in. So here we are focusing on the Instagram and then the TikTok, but right on this video we are going to prioritize the TikTok, but you're still gonna choose the Instagram too. So after that one is you just need to tap on that button. So you can also add links here. So we're in, you will be pasting your Amazon affiliate links. So I will show you after this one. So just need to continue this video. Okay. So here you just need to continue on that one, and then you will be directed to the next page of the dashboard of the Linktree, guys. So just need to wait. And then here, add a profile details, wherein you will be adding your profile, or you can choose some avatar here for your privacy. So here, add a title. So here is your profile title, and here your Linktree is ready. So here you can tap on that continue editing or share your Linktree, but here I am going to add more links, which is the product from the Amazon. So here you can see here, there's a big button, the add link. Just need to tap on that one and then go back to Amazon, guys. And then you will be able to see there. The first one is here. You can see here, you can either copy short link or the full link. So in my case, I will be going to use the short link, and then I will be going to copy this one and then paste it this website. So here I'm going to paste it on the URL, and then after that one is add, and it will be now be seen, and then I will be going to put it on my here, wherein you'll be able to see here Amazon finds, so that it will be easily visible to others when they click this link. So as you can see here, you just need to paste your Amazon affiliate link into the URL section and give it a clear title like my favorite tech gadgets or top beauty picks, but in my case, I am using Amazon finds. So you can add multiple links for the products. And here, we are now, you link your TikTok bio. So once your Linktree page is ready, it's time to add it to your TikTok bio. So what you need to do here is open your TikTok and then go to your profile and tap edit profile, and then in this website section, paste your Linktree URL. As you can see here. Then now, when viewers visit your TikTok profile and click the link in your bio, they'll be directed to Linktree page where they can browse all the products you're promoting. So as you can see here, we are now on the fun part wherein I will be going to have some advices on you. So here, as you can see here, this is an example of the link. So on this fun part, guys, is how can we create engaging content? So first one is you can have a content about unboxing. You can record yourself unboxing the product and sharing your first impression, or review. You can give a quick honest review of the product, and the tutorials show your followers how to use the product, especially if it's a gadget, tool, or a beauty product. And then also, guys, you can also have a content about before and after. If it's a product that improves something like skincare or home improvement, show a before and after transformation. And of course, keep your videos short and snappy because TikTok users love fast-paced, engaging content. And then right after that one, guys, if you are now done making your video, you need to mention the affiliate link in your video, guys. So for example, to that one is you can put it on your video. You can mention it like, click the link in my bio to grab this product on Amazon, just like that one, guys. So you can also add a text overlay pointing to the bio to make it clear when they can find the link. So here, right after you upload it, guys, is you can also put some hashtags, leverage the TikTok trends. So TikTok algorithms love trends, so you can boost your reach by hopping on popular challenges, trending sounds, or viral effects. So that's how you use TikTok and Amazon, guys, in affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.